Dear students, this is our first class of Plus 2 Zoology. Me, Rani Jose. Here I am going to take the remaining physiology portion, human reproduction. Here you can see an interesting picture of a mother and child. Like that, all other organisms have their own young ones or offsprings. They produce their young ones by a process called reproduction. It is a biological process by which new individual organisms or offsprings are produced from their parents. There are two types of reproduction present among organisms: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Firstly, we talk about asexual reproduction. Here you can see the asexual reproduction in amoeba. Only single in organism is producing two daughter cells. That is, the participation of two organisms is not required. It does not involve the formation or union of sex cells. Here you can see the organisms that reproduce asexually: Hydra, sea star, strawberry, Archaebacteria, Eubacteria, Euglena, Paramecium, and yeast are common among them. Then, sexual reproduction. Most of the organisms reproduce sexually. Here, the development of new individuals takes place by the fusion of two sex cells. Sex cells may be egg or sperm. By the fusion of these two sex cells, a single cell or zygote is formed. Common examples for sexually reproducing organisms are shark, butterflies, amphibians, and human beings, etc. Let us talk about the reproductive process in human beings. Human beings are viviparous. They are giving birth to their young ones. Also, they are unisexual. It means sexes are separate. They exhibit sexual dimorphism. That means both male and female have distinct features. Let us talk about the reproductive events in human beings. First one, gametogenesis. It is the formation of gametes. Gametes in male is called sperm or spermatozoa. Gametes in female is called ovum or egg. Formation of gametes in male is called spermatogenesis. In females, it is called oogenesis. Second process is insemination. Here, the sperms from the male or sex cells from the male is transferred into the female reproductive tract. Third one, fertilization. It is the fusion of male and female gametes. By this process, a single cell is formed. Blastulation. It is the formation and development of blastocyst. Single cell repeatedly divides and forms blastocyst. That process is called blastulation. Next one, implantation. It is the attachment of this blastocyst into the uterine wall for the nourishment. Then, gestation. It is the embryonic period or the development of embryo in the uterus. Last one, parturition. It is the childbirth or it is the delivery of the baby. These events are occurring in man only after puberty. Puberty means when reproductive organs start functioning. These are the main reproductive events occur in human beings. Okay, thank you.